Hello everyone, this is a video about this micro polishing pen. It's a grinder, it's an engraver and polisher. You can do many things with this. It's a very useful item for its price. And it says freedom and passion. I don't know what it has to do with this item, but it says it has 3-gear adjustable, 18,000 high speed, fast charging technology, charging protection function, built-in lithium battery plus plug-in. I have no idea what does it mean, plug-in. I think it has the cable, and with the cable also maybe you can use it, and I believe that might be that. This is a very tiny user manual. I just hold it for you and read it through. And here I'm trying to hold it to fit everything in one screen. I'll show you the listing of this. They've been advertising this. The item, if you look at this, look at the item itself, you can see this part, the chalk here, and you can see the chalk on there. So this one didn't have these two screws and this bit, and I purchased this one, but they sent me this one, and I've been thorough to make sure that someone sent me this one, but they have sent me this one. The reason why I wanted that is just because this one you can just put your bits in and it's grabbing it inside, and that's it. No screws, nothing. You just push it in, and when you want to change it, just pull it out and push another one in. And this is what it look like. And the battery, I want to know the capacity of the battery. 10 watts, nothing there. In regards to the battery capacity, I think is 750 milliamp hour, I think. But we are going to find out how much it is. But for the time being, we don't know much about it. And here it says 5,000 RPM, 10,000 RPM, 18,000 RPM. And here it says nothing about battery capacity. Anyway, I have watched some videos about this, that it says that the battery is about, let me just get everything out of here, and then we are going to talk about this in length. Just let me see if I have mistaken that there is nothing said about the battery, and I come back. I'm afraid I couldn't find anything in regards to that, but here the model number of this is E108. And you see, the reason that I wanted this one is because you can attach the smaller bits inside as well, and you don't need to go that deep. Plus this if you reduce the length of this, that the sticking part, the choke inside that is grabbing it I think it's a plastic or something of that sense. If this one wasn't there, smaller bits can even fit in there. But with this one, the small bits that is normally used in dental appliances, that is for polishing and soft grinding and so on, it doesn't fit in there. It's for intricate stuff. Some people, they even use this for nails as well, because you can put some sort of different bits in there with grinding, polishing and so on. I have many of these available, but this one is just coming with this set. They are just somehow diamond touched. It is not really durable, because if all of these they were diamond coated, they have to be very, very expensive. So you have sets, one set, two sets of these 5, and these and these and these. There are in total 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's too many. Anyway, it's just different shape and sizes, tips, and most of them they are pointed. So they are really good for electronics, for just grinding some sort of surface on electronics, or for polishing and just smoothing out nails. Or obviously some of them they are not suitable for that sense, for cuticles and these corners. There are many uses that you can apply this to, but you have to have different sort of tips. That I have many of them. This is just for engraving, and somehow they are coming with different sort of stencils here, and alphabets. Let me just put this aside. And then is USB Type-C charging cable, user manual that we looked at it, and then they offer you some sort of cutting discs, and some real diamond coated, just one. And then there are these stencils. Let me just see if I can show you them. I think this is just alphabets and numbers. Let's see how many we have here. One. We have this, alphabets, and then this, shapes. Oh, there are many, some hearts, circles, half circles, there are capital letters and numbers in different sorts of styles. That is for engraving, and these are different sorts of alphabets, fonts. So this is just that, and these shapes, and then we have another set here there are some sort of Christmassy or some sort of drawings of scents, patterns. Too many of them. Flower, rose, and other stuff. Stencils just dropping out of that. And this one. And I'm not gonna use these. I just purchased this for the sake of having the unit itself, because I have loads of other tips for that. I just quickly show you all of these, and then we go to the unit itself. And some of these stencils, they are still in here. You have to get them out like so. And then this one, and the edges are still, they are a part of the stencils. Anyway, that's it. So let me just clear the table, and now we are going to the item itself. This is just a sticker over the the PCB underneath. You can peel it off, but if you want to somehow disassemble this, you have to unscrew this and then pull this out. And then the unit itself, you turn it on, it just goes to speed 1, and then if you somehow delay choosing the speed, it just goes off. And then if you want to select a higher speed, you have to press it quickly. And then when you put some loads on it, it just shows you that you are applying loads in there, and if you keep on doing that, it's just going to cut off. And then underneath is the battery level that you have, and here is the model number, and this is the choke here. And if you put anything in there, let me just try one of these. Just try this one. And when you push it in, I guess the screw is just tightens. So you just unscrew this just a tad for this to go in. I guess it's gone a little bit further inside. This one is loose, this one is loose as well. Let's try it now. Yeah, it's just holding it back. And then if you want to have a secure one, you can tighten both of these screws as well. And now I turn it on. It's nearly precise. It's not very strong, but it does the job. There are many videos about this, and this is where you can put your Allen key at the back for storage. That is not very convenient, as if you want to charge this, you have to take this and pull it aside for that. There are many videos out there to just show you and demonstrating you how it works, But this video is just about, showing you what you get in this set. And my opinion about this, that's how good it is or not. I have used this for my purpose, which is just slight pressure or not grinding so much, but for grinding I tried it and it's good as well. So it's a very useful tool to have it at hand, as it's not very expensive. The price of this varies from £15 up to £20. It depends what you get with it. Some of it has the drill bits as well, but this one doesn't have any drill bits. It just has these cutting discs, which is convenient anyhow. For £15 you get all of these. So fully recommend this item because it's very handy and useful. You can even put it in your pocket. Some of them they come with a cover tip that you can put it in your pocket as well, but this one doesn't have it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. A little bit of OCD attack. Yes, I think everything is good.